Perimeter problems already we did in the last class, and few questions of this already given homework, but I want to revise 2-3 problems so that just to have an idea about perimeter. Those who forgot, they can recollect this. Sum of all sides, length along boundary is called perimeter. 12, 12, 17. 17 plus 12 plus 12. That will be the answer. You can keep the answer in centimeters.
Sir, answer 42.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
We have to write this in graph book.
Not graph, not graph, not graph. In the classwork itself. In the classwork, not in the graph. For time being, we are not doing graph. Graph we do when we get irregular shapes. Right now, not in the graph, in the notebook itself.
Answer is
Sir, I had done this.
Sir, rectangle is 41 centimeters, sir.
Sir, I had done.
Okay, then good.
I got 41 centimeters, sir.
In Friday's class. That which you had sent. I wrote on that day, sir.
I had already sent these questions. But right now, some people said they have not got, they have not done. So that's why I'm doing few questions of it.
No. Sir, triangle is 41 centimeters, sir.
Correct.
41 centimeters, sir.
Correct.
I got the answer. Sir, third one is 50 centimeters, sir. Third one 50 centimeters. Third one
Yes.
50 centimeters.
50 centimeters.
50 centimeters. Sir, third one 50 centimeters.
Okay. What about fourth one?
Okay, sir.
మమ్మీ ఎన్ని పుల్లలు వచ్చినా సరిపోతాయి మమ్మీ ఇందాక కూడా సరిపోతాయా సరిపోతాయా రోజ్ ఫ్లవర్స్
Sir, 31 centimeters, sir. Fourth one, 31 centimeters.
How? How 31? This is not 31. Sum of all sides is a perimeter. This side is 9. This side is 12. This side is 6. What about this side? Not given. This side is not given. This side also not given.
Sir, 29 centimeters.
You have to find this side and this side. Then only you can do it. This side and this side you have to find. Then only you can do it. As it is, you can't do it. So listen how to find them. This total is 12. This total is 12. Then when this is 12, this also should be 12. Among that 4 is already here. So this has to be 8. Imagine here. When this is 12, rectangle opposite sides equal. When this is 12, this should be 12. 12 and 12, above 4 is there. So this gap is 4, remaining should be 8. So this is 8. Now, this length is 9. This length also 9.
5.
When this is 9,
5
this
centimeters.
is 9.
5.
But 6 is already
5
here.
centimeters.
6 is already here.
6.
So this should be 3. Missing sides you have to find, then only you can do it. Otherwise you can't do. When this is 12, this should be opposite, should be 12. Already 4 is there, remaining 8. When this is 9, this should be 9. 6 is already here, the balance is 3. Now get the answer. 12 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 4 plus 9. That is the answer. All sides you have to add. If sides are missing, you have to find. Without that, you can't proceed. This 8 and 3
Sir,
are not
first
given,
one
you
is
are finding.
22 centimeters, sir.
Sir,
Sir, first
42
one is
Sir, I got 42 centimeter.
Correct.
Sir, the answer is 1350 centimeters, sir.
Centimeter, sir.
1350 meters.
Centimeter, sir.
1350 meters.
Sir, can you please move? Sir, should we do this home assignment? Sir, we have already done this.
Sir, this is mine's over, sir. Homework assignment.
Fine.
Sir, I did complete homework, sir, in Sunday, sir. I will send today after class.
Yeah, what is doubt?
I will send the homework, sir. Mine is over. After class, I will send the homework.
Here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are there. A, B, C are very easy. I want to know D, E, F.
Okay, sir.
Can you give the answers for this? If this is done, we will
Yes,
go
sir.
to areas. GH also very easy. ABC are easy, adding all this.
Sir, I've done all of them. A is A is 12 centimeter perimeter.
Which one?
12 centimeters, sir.
Which one? Which one?
First one, 12 centimeters.
Which one?
Sir, first one.
Yes, sir.
I have told you not to try ABC. I
12
don't want
centimeters.
ABC. I don't want ABC. I want only BC.
Sir, D1 is 20 centimeters.
I want DEF. Add
Sir,
all the
D is-
sides.
Sir, D is 20 centimeter. Sir, 20 centimeter.
Yeah. You have to add all these.
And
Each box
sir,
is
E-
1 centimeter.
Sir, I got the answer 20 centimeter D.
And sir, E is 10 centimeter. Done, sir. Sir, D1 is 20 centimeters, E1 is 10 centimeters, F1 8 centimeters, F1 8 centimeters. Sir, F1 10 centimeter. 8 centimeters,
E
sir.
answer. E answer.
E
Sir.
is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. 8 centimeters, sir. Sir, F1 is 10 centimeter. 8 centimeters, sir. Sir, 10.
10 is right answer.
And sir, G 16 centimeter.
G and H not required. You do only which I am asking. Only boundary you have to add. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct.
Sir, D is 20 centimeter, E1 is 10 centimeter, and F1 is also 10 centimeter.
Yes. Remaining questions are easy.
Mummy, come box is suggest.
Now areas. Start doing this in the graph. Use graph. Areas. Use graph paper.
Sir, someone is unmuted.
Students, mute yourself. Area of the figure. You have to supposed to do in the graph paper. How many boxes are there that you have to count?
Sir, shall we write?
Count the number of boxes and give the answer.
Sir, should we write? Should we do this in a graph?
21.
Yeah,
Sir, 21 square centimeter.
you have to do in the graph. Then only you can count the boxes easily.
Sir, scrapbook.
Sir, 21. Sir, first one is 21.
Don't
Sir,
shout.
first one is 21. Yeah.
Two boxes like this.
Sir, I got 20 centimeters, sir. अरे आना नहीं
Sir, I got 8 centimeters. The second one.
Okay, correct.
Sir, 8 centimeters, sir.
It is very easy. You have to count the number of full boxes. Count the number of boxes and give the answer. Mute yourself. Someone's
Sir, the third one
message
is-
is coming.
Meter.
Sir, third one is 20 square centimeters.
Yeah, I have done. Keep doing the remaining slowly, no hurry. Count the number of boxes, draw in the graph book, count the number of boxes and give the answer.
Sir, the fourth one is 12 square centimeter.
Okay, let me check.
Sir, fifth one is 35.
Sir,
Sir, 35, sir.
Don't shout,
Fifth
keep
one.
in the chat box, don't shout.
35 centimeters, sir.
Sir, 35 centimeters, sir. Fifth one is. Sir, sixth one is 32 centimeters, sir.
Okay.
Sir, seventh one is 78 centimeters, sir. Sir, seventh one is 78 centimeters, sir.
Square centimeters.
Sir, seventh one is 78 boxes, sir.
Yeah, done.
Sir, the sixth one is 32 square centimeter.
Sir, eighth one is 23 boxes.
What is the eighth one?
Yes, sir.
Sir, eighth one is 23 boxes, sir.
Yeah, 23 boxes, correct.
Sir, once again go back now. I have in last one, sir. Once again.
Sir, once
we
can you go back?
Students, mute yourself. Someone's background, some other teacher is teaching.
Sir, last one is 21 square centimeters.
Not 21, it is 23. Please count the boxes carefully. 23 it is. Twenty-three
Sir,
boxes.
the seventh one is
All the answers I wrote here, please check.
Sir, the seventh one is 65.
No. Wrong.
Sir, seventh one is 78 boxes, sir.
78 is the right answer.
Sir, what?
Sir, forward the page. Sir, seventh one is 78 boxes, sir.
Done long back.
Sir, page forward. Right.
Sir, we will go on to next page.
Sir, the eighth one is 26.
23, not 26. 23.
ప్రశ్నవే నువ్వు ఇది రాయ ఇది
Sir, eighth one is 23 boxes.
Okay.
అమ్మ వయసు చూడమ్మ
Listen, concentrate
Sir,
here.
I'm done.
Concentrate. Better
How
mute
many
yourself.
classes?
Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Listen. Just listen. When irregular shapes are given, how to find the area? When regular shapes are given, like in the previous question, we did 8 problems. Full boxes is considered as 1 square centimeter. When in the diagram full boxes are not seen, then what to do? Full boxes are there, fine, 1 square centimeter. If exactly half box is there, we consider as half square centimeter only. If half is there, we consider. Less than half box, we neglect, it is 0. More than half box, we consider as 1. More than half means complete 1. Half means half only. Less than half means it is 0. 4 examples I have given. Don't write, first listen, then copy. Similar to these questions, I will share afterwards. In the PDF, you can do it. All these to be done in the graph paper, then only you can identify exact boxes. Look at A shape. In this, how many full boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 full boxes.
Sir, 12.
This is exactly half. This is exactly half box. So half box, half box. This total together, 1 full box.
1. Sir, 12.
I told you to keep quiet. Okay. This half box is again 1 full box. This half, exactly half. Half and half, 1 full box. Half and half, 1 full box. Over. So how many full boxes are there?
8, sir.
8. Area is 8. So capital A, 8 square centimeters. Half box will be considered as half box only. If it is half box, then it is half square centimeter. If it is less than half box, 0 square centimeter, it is neglected. If you have more than half box, this is 1 square centimeter. We will consider it as 1. Half means exactly half, less than half means 0, neglect, more than half means we consider as 1 box. Look at B example, B. Look at this B. One full box, more than half. So full box, more than half, full box, less than half, neglect. So what is B area?
4
What is
square
B area?
centimeter.
4 square centimeters. 2 full boxes, 2 more than half boxes we consider. These small boxes we will not consider. Now can you say what about C? C. It's very easy.
Sir, 2
Second
square
full box, these are
centimeter.
small boxes. We neglect
2 centimeters.
2 square centimeters. What about D? 1 full box. First identify full boxes. 2. This is more than half. 3. This is more than half. 4. This is more than half. 5. We will not take. This is very small box.
Yes.
This is very small. We will not take. 3, 4, 5. So 5
5,
square
sir.
centimeter.
5 square
5
centimeter.
square centimeters.
Yes, that is the answer. This is how we do when irregular shapes are given. Count the number of boxes. I will share some questions. You do it. If you want more questions for practice, on the graph paper, you take any regular shape. Best example, put your hand. Put your hand. Draw the outline. Then count what is the area of your hand. Take some objects in your home. Take a flower, leaf. Leaf is the best example. Take a leaf. Trace the leaf. Find the area. All
Sir,
these
can we
be
take a
done.
mouse?
Yeah, leaf is the best one. Okay, so try your own. I will share some homework problems. If you want more problems, I am giving some examples. If you have a pet in your home, do you have a cat in your home? Cat. Ask the cat to put the leg on the graph paper. Trace the footprint. Find the area of the footprint of the cat.
Sir.
So you can do this type of questions on your own to do more practice of irregular. Regular shapes very easy. Number of boxes will give the answer. When boxes are not complete, half boxes, less than half, more than half boxes are there. To get a good practice, you can do on your own. Take a graph paper, put your hand, trace it, find. Ask your mother to put her hand, find the area of the hand, palm. Leaf is the best example. You can find the leaf. Put the leaf, trace it, find the area of the leaf. They are irregular shapes. No, you will definitely get to know how many full boxes. First count full boxes, then half boxes, then more than half boxes. Like that you can do it. It is not at all difficult. Graph is very easy. It is a practical thing. You are doing on your own. So it will be very interesting also. You can learn and you can do it. You will get success. Okay. So now try these questions A, B, C, D. I will share some more questions of this type, irregular shapes for homework. One thing you have to remember, whenever irregular shapes are given, less than half box neglected, more than half box 1 square unit. Exactly half means it will be half only. Consider half as half box only. Other half box will be there. Join, make it one like that. Okay, make it fast.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Have drawn. These are rhombus.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, if there is only one half, then how could we count?
If it is only one half, the answer will be half only. Suppose 5 full boxes, one half. 5.5 square centimeters or 5.5 square centimeters. That case is also possible. When you try on your own with different, when you are with your palm or leaves, then definitely it is possible to get fractions also. When you are getting, when you left with half, it will be 5.5. 5.5.
Okay, sir.
If you want perfect shapes, you can take any currency note. 5 rupee note, 10 rupee, 100 rupee note. Take a note, trace it, you will get perfect shapes. Irregular shapes,
Sir,
you can
tab.
use coins, leaves, all these can be done.
Sir, the A1 is 8 square centimeter.
These are example purpose I have given. You no need to do the same. You can try something else also. Harshini, if time is over, what you have, any work is there, then you can go. Okay. You don't have any next class, no? Then what is your problem? If time is over, you can leave the class. No one is stopping you. Why you worry about the timings? When you are in the class, concentrate in the class.
Sir, the B1 is 4 square centimeter.
Two half boxes will be considered as one full box. That you have to remember. All these graph problems, please do with pencil. If something goes wrong, you can erase it and you can do it again. Don't try with the pen. If the problem is correct, then if you want to use, you can use color pencils or sketch to increase the beauty of the question, but not compulsory. Okay. There are many questions on irregular shapes. Just I want to show a few of them. This. I'm going to share this graph paper. This also. You can write again or you can take the printout, count the number of. See,
Sir,
the
we
first
can
one
do
A.
3.
First one A is there, no? The same question what we did. A. See this also. You no need to draw this again. You take the printout, paste in the notebook. You take the printout, paste in the notebook and count number of boxes. See, I have given the hint also. Less than half box is 0. More than half box is 1. Hint I have given. Based on the hint, you have to find the area. How many more than half squares are there? Leaf. See, all these take a printout, paste in the notebook, count. Don't try to draw it again, you may not get the correct graph. So take the printout, paste in the notebook, count the number of boxes.
Sir, can you please send it in our WhatsApp group?
Yes, definitely. I will send in the class group. All these 6 questions
Sir,
are
you
there,
send PDF,
6
sir.
pages. All these 6 I will send in the WhatsApp group. Nothing to worry, ma. Do it carefully. Count the number of boxes. Don't be in hurry. Okay? Fine. If this ABCD is done, you can leave the class. Done with the class. I will
Yes,
share
sir,
the
I
video
done, sir,
class only.
Dhanush.
Those who completed this
sir.
ABCD, they can leave the class.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, see you.
Even is